Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinXplore, your ultimate destination for rare and valuable coins. Today's video is going to blow your mind because we're talking about a small coin that could be worth up to $2,000. Yes, you heard that right. It's the 2008 Oman 10 Paisa coin, a coin many people overlook, but collectors are paying big money for it. So if you have old coins lying around, make sure to watch this video till the end, because you might be holding a hidden treasure. Let's start with some basic details about this coin. The 2008 Oman 10 Paisa coin comes from the beautiful Middle Eastern country of Oman. It is part of Oman's regular currency system and is used in everyday transactions. Key features: denomination, 10 Paisa. Year, 2008. Material, copper nickel. Shape, round. Language, Arabic and English. On one side, you'll typically find the national emblem of Oman, featuring cross swords and a khanjar, traditional dagger. On the other side, the value 10 Paisa is clearly written. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary coin, but there's more to the story. Now you might be wondering, how can a small 10 Paisa coin be worth $2,000? Well, the answer lies in rarity and condition. Here are the main reasons. Rare variants. Some 2008 coins were minted with slight variations or errors. These rare versions are highly collectible. Limited circulation. Not all coins were widely circulated, making certain batches harder to find today. High collector demand. Coin collectors, also known as enthusiasts of numismatics, are always searching for unique coins from different countries. Condition matters. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition can sell for extremely high prices compared to worn-out coins. Alright, this is the most important part of the video. If you want to know whether your coin could be worth $2,000, here's what to check. Check the year. Make sure your coin is from 2008. Look for mint errors, misprints, off-center designs, double strikes. These small mistakes can increase the coin's value massively. Examine the condition. A shiny, scratch-free coin is worth much more than a damaged one. Weight and size. If your coin has unusual weight or thickness, it might be a rare variation. Pro tip: always use a magnifying glass to inspect your coin carefully. Let's talk about the real value. Most regular 2008 Oman 10 Paisa coins are worth only a few cents in everyday markets. But rare versions, especially those with mint errors, perfect condition, collector demand, can be sold for hundreds or even up to $2,000 in auctions or private sales. However, keep in mind, not every coin will reach this high value. The price depends on rarity, condition, and buyer interest. If you think you have a valuable coin, here's where you can sell it. Online marketplaces like eBay, coin collector groups, auctions, local coin dealers. Always compare prices before selling to get the best deal. So, that's the story of the 2008 Oman 10 Paisa coin. A small coin with the potential to be worth thousands. Who knows? You might already have one in your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, comment below if you have this coin. Subscribe to CoinXplore for more amazing coin value content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Today's video is absolutely incredible because we're talking about a coin that might already be in your collection, and it could be worth up to $2,600. Yes, we're talking about the 1996 Philippines 5 peso coin. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll show you exactly how to identify if your coin is the valuable one. Let's start with some basic information about this coin. The 1996 5 peso coin comes from the beautiful country of Philippines. It is part of the official currency issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Denomination: 5 peso. Year: 1996. Material: copper nickel. Shape: round. Language: Filipino. On the front side, you'll see the portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo, a national hero and the first president of the Philippines. On the reverse side, you'll find the official seal of the central bank along with the coin's value. At first glance, it looks like a normal coin, but collectors know its true value. So why is this coin worth so much money? Here are the main reasons. Rare variants. Some 1996 5 peso coins were minted with rare variations or errors. making them highly collectible. Limited high-quality coins. Coins that remain in perfect condition from 1996 are extremely hard to find today. Historical importance. Coins featuring Emilio Aguinaldo have strong historical value, increasing their demand among collectors. Collector demand. Collectors in the field of numismatics are always searching for rare coins from the Philippines. Now, this is the most important part of the video. If you want to know whether your coin is worth $2,600, here's what to check. Confirm the year. Make sure your coin is from 1996. Look for mint errors. Check for double stamping, off-center design, missing details. These errors can make your coin extremely valuable. Check the condition. Coins in uncirculated condition are worth much more than worn coins. Surface quality. Look for a clean, shiny surface with minimal scratches. Pro tip: use a magnifying glass or a coin appraiser to examine your coin closely. Let's talk about the real value. Most 1996 Philippines 5 peso coins are worth their face value or slightly higher. But rare coins with mint errors, excellent condition, strong collector demand, can sell for hundreds or even up to $2,600 in auctions. Important note: not every coin will reach this price. Only rare and high-quality coins can achieve such high value. If you think you have a valuable coin, here's where you can sell it. Online marketplaces like eBay, coin collector forums, auctions, local coin dealers. Always check multiple sources before selling to get the best price. So, that's the story of the 1996 Philippines 5 peso coin. A simple coin that could be worth thousands. Take a look at your coin collection. You might be sitting on a hidden treasure. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment if you have this coin. Subscribe to CoinXplore for more rare coin discoveries. Thanks for watching. Today's video is something really exciting because we're talking about a coin that looks ordinary but could be worth up to $1,600. Yes, it's the 2010 Indonesia 1,000 rupiah coin. So, if you have old coins or love collecting, stay with me till the end, because you might be holding a small fortune without even knowing it. Let's begin with the basics. The 2010 Indonesia 1,000 rupiah coin comes from the Southeast Asian country of Indonesia. It is part of the official currency issued by Bank Indonesia. Key features: denomination 1,000 rupiah, year 2010, material bimetallic, outer ring and inner core, shape round, language Indonesian. On the front side, you'll see the portrait of Kapitan Patimura, a famous Indonesian hero known for his resistance against colonial rule. On the reverse side, you'll find the Garuda emblem, which is the national symbol of Indonesia, along with the denomination. At first glance, it looks like a normal circulating coin, but don't be fooled. So why are some of these coins selling for so much money? Here are the main reasons. Rare mint errors. Some 2010 coins were produced with unique minting mistakes, making them extremely rare. Bimetallic design appeal. Collectors love bimetallic coins because of their unique look and structure. High collector demand. Collectors in numismatics are always searching for rare Indonesian coins. Condition and preservation. Coins in perfect or near-perfect condition are much harder to find and can sell for higher prices. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. If you want to know whether your coin is valuable, here's what to check. Check the year. Make sure your coin is from 2010. Inspect for errors. Look for misaligned inner core, double strike, off-center design. These errors can increase the coin's value dramatically. Examine the condition. A clean, shiny coin with no scratches is far more valuable. Check the bimetallic ring. If the inner and outer parts look unusual or misaligned, it could be a rare variant. Pro tip: use proper lighting and a magnifying glass for better inspection. Let's talk about the value. Most 2010 Indonesia 1,000 rupiah coins are only worth their face value. But rare versions with mint errors, excellent condition, collector demand, can be sold for hundreds or even up to $1,600 in auctions. Important reminder: not every coin will be valuable. Only specific rare types reach high prices. If you believe you have a rare coin, here's where you can sell it. eBay and online marketplaces, coin collector communities, auctions, local coin shops. Always research before selling to get the best value. So, that's the story of the 2010 Indonesia 1,000 rupiah coin. A simple coin that could be worth a fortune. Check your coins today. You might discover something amazing. If you enjoyed this video, like the video, comment if you have this coin. Subscribe to CoinXplore for more rare coin content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.